So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy NHL tickets here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go to the top here. So go to the bottom left, press on buy, and then go to the top and press on the sports icon. Once you guys are here for me, it'll show Minnesota Wild right here. You can also go to the top and change your location to whatever you guys are looking for. So for example, we want to watch hockey. I will just go ahead and select Minnesota Wild right here. Now it's going to go ahead and show you guys a bunch of different dates. So if you wanted to go to the preseason game or whatever, we'll just go ahead and press on the season opener. It's then going to bring you to this screen where you can go ahead and sort of select the place that you want to sit. As well as kind of scroll right here, you can see a bunch of great deals. All prices do include the fees, etc. So if I wanted to go ahead with this one right now, it'll show you also a view from your seat. It'll show you the fees right here, and if all looks good, you can go ahead and press continue. Now, once you guys are in this page right here, it'll show you the price breakdown right here if you press on show details. It'll also show you the payment method. So I have Apple Pay selected, but if you wanted to use PayPal, Affirm, or add a credit card, you can do that as well. It'll show you the tickets, all that kind of stuff, and if all looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom, press on buy, and proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy NHL tickets here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.